In this video, we're going to see how to create an alert to monitor what's being said about your brand on the internet. So you click on the plus button, then you select Keyword Alert, and then you select My Company, and here you enter your keywords. So you've got two fields, any of the following keywords or expressions, all of the following keywords and expressions. So if the name of your brand is unique, you just need to enter it as a keyword and you're good to go. So here I would enter Alerti, and it's fine. If you think that people can spell the name of your brand in different ways, then you enter all the spellings in this field, and our search engine is going to look for articles that include either one of these keywords. So here, Alerti with an I or Alerti with a Y. All of the following keywords, if you enter 2, 3, 4 keywords, they all need to be included in an article for it to be retrieved by our search engine. So here I enter social media monitoring tool. If I complete both fields, then it's a plus between the two. So here our search engine would be looking for articles that include social media monitoring tool plus Alerti with an I or Alerti with a Y. You can exclude keywords if you want to refine your search further. And here you've got a summary. So if you end up to just check here, and you've got here the summary of what our search engine is going to be looking for. It's like a Boolean search, but you don't need to write it yourself, you just complete the fields. Then you click on next and you select the language. So there are over 40 languages supported. So if you want to monitor what's being said about your brand in different languages, you would create one alert per language. Then the sources, you've got online news, blogs, web, which is everything that's not blog or online news, Twitter, Instagram images and videos. This is Flickr, forums, and videos, which are YouTube, Vimeo, and Dailymotion. If you are on review sites platforms, you can include them as well in your alert. Then you can exclude sources. So if you want to exclude your own website, or if you want to exclude website domain extensions, so like if I put .ca, it's going to exclude all the websites that end with .ca. You can also exclude Twitter accounts, and then you click on next. You can link a Twitter account to your alert. It's not a mandatory step, but it's if you want to reply on Twitter directly from Alerti. And then you've got notifications, so real time, once per day, once per week, none. And you've got email notifications, mobile notification, and desktop notifications. For messaging platforms like Slack or Teams, you can use RSS feeds or tools like Integromat, which we're going to see in a different video. And then you click on finish, and that's it. Your alert is instantly created.